Hi, this is Scott from Scott and Tracy Traveling. Welcome to our channel. On our only full day in Rome, we chose to take a day tour to Tuscany. Since we've been to Rome several times, we didn't have a lot of places we wanted to see. It was a very peaceful scene as we passed the Spanish Steps early in the morning. We met our tour at Piazza del Popolo, which was a 15-minute walk from our hotel. It was an early meetup since it's almost a 3-hour drive to Tuscany from Rome. As our bus headed out of Rome and passed through Umbria, we saw a number of hill towns on the way to our first main stop, Montepulciano. The streets of the popular hill town are too small to accommodate buses, so we disembarked below the town and walked up into the town. From the parking area, we got a nice view of the valley below. We had a guided tour which lasted about an hour. The guide showed us the important sites while giving us a history lesson. Montepulciano is a very cute town, but the quaint village can be overwhelmed with tourist crowds. After the guided tour, we were given a little free time to do shopping and get a gelato. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. It was interesting watching people drive through these narrow lanes. Walking downhill to meet up with the bus, we get back on board to go to lunch. A nearby farm and winery, Fattoria Pulcino, not only had a great view of Montepulciano, but a dining room large enough for bus tours. The family showed us their wine cellar before showing us to our tables. We were served quite a few dishes and each paired with some of their wines. Stuffed, we got back on the bus for our drive to our final destination of the day, Pienza. We took a few minutes to take in the Pienza Cathedral. The town has a number of picturesque lanes, and we were glad to have a few free minutes just to wander and admire the town. Pienza is known for its pecorino cheese, and we visited several shops but didn't buy anything. It was an amazing day trip from Rome. Thanks for watching and stay tuned to our future videos.